Question 7 of exercise 6.3. In given figure, altitudes AD and CE of triangle ABC intersect each other at point P. Show that first one, triangle AEP is similar to triangle CDP. Second one, triangle ABD similar to triangle CDE. Third, triangle AEP similar to triangle ADB. Fourth, triangle PDC similar to triangle BEC. So here are four pair of triangles which we have to prove that these are similar. So let us take first whatever things are written given that we have to write. First of all, we have to write that CE is perpendicular on AB and AD is perpendicular on BC. Okay, to prove, first one, triangle AEP is similar to triangle CDP. Now see, where is AEP? This is triangle AEP, this is triangle CDP. Here you can see that AD is perpendicular on BC, so this angle will be 90 degree. Here also CE is perpendicular on AB, so this angle will be 90 degree. So in these two triangles we have got right angles, and you can see that these two angles are vertically opposite angle, so these angles will be equal. So triangles are similar by AA similarity. So let us write, in triangle AEP, in triangle AEP and triangle CDP, angle AEP is equals to angle CDP 90 degree. Angle APE is equals to angle CPD, vertically opposite angles. So triangle AEP is similar to triangle CDP by AA similarity. Okay, now second one is triangle, you have to prove that ABD is similar to triangle CBE. Now see, ABD, this big triangle, and CBE, this big triangle. So here you can see that angle B is common and 90 degree. We have got again 190 degree, ABD this one 90 degree, and CBE this 90 degree. So we will write that in triangle ABD and triangle CBE, angle ADB is equals to angle CEB 90 degree. Angle ABD is equals to angle CBE. ABD is equals to CBE, same angle. So again, triangle ABD is similar to triangle CBE by AA similarity. Now next is triangle AEP similar to triangle ADB. This we have to prove. Now let us see where is AEP and triangle ADB. This triangle ADB, this big triangle is similar to this small triangle. In similarity, we do not consider the size of the triangles, only shape should be same, and we will prove that these two, one big small triangle and one big triangle is similar. Let us prove how. So angle AEP is equals to angle ADB 90 degree, each 90 degree. Angle PAE is equals to angle DAB, same angle. So triangle AEP is similar to triangle ADB by AA similarity. Okay, see here in figure AEP. So AEP, this 90 degree, is equals to ADB, this 90 degree. PAE, this angle PAE is equals to DAB. So same angle. Okay. Now the fourth one you have to prove that in triangle PDC is similar to triangle BEC. This is the fourth case which you have to prove. Now see where is at triangle PDC. See this triangle PDC and triangle BEC. Again one common angle you are getting, angle C, and 190 degree you are getting. Okay, so you can make triangles similar by AA similarity. So here you have to write that angle PDC is equals to angle BEC 90 degree, and the second fact is angle PCD is equals to angle BCE, same angle. So triangle PDC is similar to triangle BEC by AA similarity. Question 9. In given figure, ABC and AMP are two right triangles, right angled at B and M respectively. Prove that triangle ABC is similar to triangle AMP, and second, CA upon PA is equals to BC upon MP. So you can see that this is one triangle ABC and AMP is another triangle. Okay. These are right angled at M and B. Okay, so we have to prove these two cases. So first of all we will write whatever is given. Given is triangle ABC and triangle AMP are two right angled triangles, and to prove we have to write this same. It is given in question. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle AMP, and second is CA upon PA is equals to BC upon MP. See children, wherever the right angle is given, you have to find which second angle you can make common, or which second angle you can take common, or equal. Okay, then your job becomes easier, because one right angle is equal to another right angle, and if you find another pair of angles which are equal or which are common or same, then you can prove any two triangles similar by a similarity. So in cases of right angle triangle, it is if two right angle triangles are given, so first of all find these two right angles are equal, then find another pair of equal angles. Like here in this case, you can see that angle B is equals to angle M. In triangle ABC and AMP, you can see P and M are equal, because both measure is 90 degree, and you can see that angle A is common in both the triangles. Okay, in both the triangles angle A is common, so we can prove that these two right triangles are similar to each other. Okay. So let us start. In triangle ABC and triangle AMP, angle ABC is equals to angle AMP, which is 90 degree, and angle A is equals to angle A, common angle. So here our job is over. We have got two pair of angles which are equal, so we can say that our triangles are similar by AAA similarity. Okay. Now the second thing, you have to prove that CA upon PA is equals to BC upon MP. See, once your triangles are similar, the corresponding parts are also similar. So corresponding parts are equal. So CA, where is CA? CA is hypotenuse. Okay, and in this triangle, PA is hypotenuse of this triangle. Here CA is hypotenuse, and here PA is hypotenuse. So you can write in similar triangles, ABC and triangle AMP, ratio of the sides are also equal. So CA upon PA is equals to BC is, here you can say altitude, and here also you can say it is altitude. MP is altitude and here BC is altitude. So BC upon MP. So these are the corresponding sides of similar triangles. Hence proved.